Hello to my featured employer. My name is Cheryl Brillo, 30 years old from Philippines. I am a college graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Social Work. I have one son, 9 years old. My work experience as a domestic worker, first in Kuwait City. I have 3 years and 6 months. My household chores is like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and sometimes I'm cook food dessert. And also take care of kids. They have 5 kids but the 2 is older. To my second employer in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, I have 2 years and 7 months experience. My household chores also is like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and also take care of kids. They have 4 kids but the 2 is twin 5 years old. I am hardworking, dedicated, and I'm willing to learn the task you given to me. If you hired me, I will do my best and duty. And I promise to you, I finish my contract and work with you as long as you need me. I hope you choose me as your helper. Thank you and have a nice day.